Here in question number 6, there is one bracket. So first we'll open the bracket, then we'll transfer the terms. So 8x plus 4 means LHS side remain as it is. Now open the bracket with respect to 3. So multiply 3 to both terms of brackets. So first we'll multiply 3 into x, which is 3x. Then we'll multiply 3 into minus 1, which is 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Now we'll transfer 3x to the LHS and plus 4 to RHS. So 8x, 3x is the positive term, so here it becomes negative. Minus 3 plus 7 remains in RHS side when we transferred 3x to RHS. Now we'll transfer 4. Plus 4 to RHS. So plus 4 becomes minus 4. 8x minus 3x minus. So first we'll solve the negative terms. So 4 plus 3, 7, and sign of minus, plus 7. 8x minus 3x is 5x. Plus 7 minus 7 is 0. Now transfer 5 to RHS side. 0 upon 5. And 0 upon 5 is 0. Always remember that whenever a number except 0, if it is in the denominator, 0 upon 700, 1000, always its value is 0. Now we'll get the value x equal 0. We'll put x equal 0 in the given equation. So put x equals 0 in the equation. First we'll put it into LHS, then we'll put it into RHS. So LHS side is 8x plus 4. LHS side is 8x plus 4. So 8 in place of x, put the value of x, which is 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4. 8 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now in RHS part, RHS is, we'll take the RHS this part. We can also take this part, but it is, then we'll open the bracket. Okay, let's take this part. So 3x minus 1. So put the value of x, which is 0. So 0 minus 1 plus 7. Now 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Here 1 is the additive identity. We already learned that whenever we add or subtract 1 to any number, we always get 0. 0 here is the additive identity, not 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 7. So plus minus. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And sign of bigger number, which is 7. So plus 4. So in LHS, RHS, when we put x equal 0, we get 4. So 4 x equals 0, LHS is equals to RHS. That's it. Now the seventh question. Now the question number 7, which is x equal 4 upon 5 x plus 10. So here first we'll transfer 5 to LHS. So 5 is in the denominator. So the transfer of 5 is 5 into x. So 5 into x is 5x. Transfer or divide ka transfer always in into. So 5 into x, x. 4 remain, x plus 10. Now here we'll open the bracket with respect to 4. So 5x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 10, 40. Now we'll transfer the x term to the LHS. So 5x minus 4x equal 40. 5 minus 4 is x. Means 5x minus 4x is x. X equal 40. So the value of x is 40 here. Now we'll put x equal 40 in the equation. Here we'll check. So first we have to put x equal 40 in the equation. So first we'll take the here LHS and here RHS side. LHS side is x. So x equal 40. That's it. At RHS side, 4 upon 5 x plus 10. 4 upon 5 and value of x is 40. So 40 plus 10. 4 upon 5. 40 plus 10 is 50. and 4 upon 5 into 50. We can cancel 50 by 5 10 times. So 4 into 10 is 40. So let's see, in LHS and in RHS we get, after solving we get 40. So 4 x equal 40, LHS is equals to RHS. That's it. Okay. Now the next question number 8. Here in question number 8, the x terms are in fractions. So first we'll transfer the x term of RHS side to the LHS side. So plus 7x upon 15 becomes minus 7x upon 15. And the constant term of LHS to the RHS. So plus 1 becomes minus 1. Now we'll take the LCM of 3 and 15. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 ones are. So LCM is 3 into 5. 15. So what will multiply in this denominator 3 to get the product 15 is 5. So we will multiply its numerator and denominator both by 5. So 2 into 5 10 and 3 into 5 15 and x. Here the denominator is already 15. So we will multiply it by 1. So 7 into 1 7 x and 15 into 1 is 15. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we'll take 15 as LCM. So remaining 10x minus 7x equal 2. 10 minus 7 is 3x upon 15 equal 2. Now transfer 15 and 3 to both RHS side. So x, 15 is in the divide form. So it 2 into 15 and 3 is in the product form with variable x. So 3 becomes, the transfer of 3 is 2 into 15 upon 3, means in divide. Product ka divide mein divide into. So 2 into 15 is 30. 30 upon 3. Cancel 30 by 3 10 times. So value of x is 10. Now we have to put, now we'll have to check. So first check, we have to put x equal 10 in the equation, and the equation is 2x plus 3, 2x upon 3 plus 1, 7x equals 7x plus 7x upon 15 plus 3. So first we'll put it into LHS, then we'll put it into RHS. So LHS part is 2x upon 3 plus 1. So value of x is 10. So 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1, 2 into 10, 20 upon 3 plus 1. Take LCM here. So here in the denominator 1. So LCM of 3 and 1 is always 3. So here the already denominator of 20 is already 3, but here the denominator of 1 is 1. So what should we multiply in 1 to get the product 3 is 3. So multiply this numerator and denominator both by 3. So 20, 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 1 into 3 is 3, which is the LCM. So 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 3. Okay, after solving the LHS part, we get 23 upon 3. Now we'll solve the RHS side. So RHS is 7x upon 15 plus 3. Put x equal 10. So 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. 7 into 10 is 70 upon 15 upon 3. In 3 there is no denominator, so there is always 1. So what is the LCM here? 15. So 70, what will multiply in 1 to get the product 15, which is 15. So 15 into 3 is 45. So 70 plus 45 is 115 upon 155 upon 15. Not 155, 115 upon 15. We can cancel 115 by 15, 115 and 15 both by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So remaining is 20. The simplest form of 115 and 15 is 23 upon 3. Now see, LHS and RHS both parts are equal for the value of x equal 10. So thus x equal 10, for x equal 10, LHS is equals to RHS. That's it. Okay, this is for the question number 8. Now for question number